India is renowned for its diversity of cultural influences that literally changes from state to state. But one thing which unites India and is celebrated across as the most beloved snack is Pani Puri. From farm to factories, we get up every day to supply that perfect Pani Puri in your plate so people can share and enjoy it together. For us, the story of this crispy shell started in the year 2015 to bring a whole new experience and taste for generations to come. Vision met courage, and by 2016, the idea had evolved into a full-fledged food business. And today, A Innovative Food Products LLP is one of the top suppliers in the food industry, offering a wide range of cereal pellets, potato pellets, and pani puris.
Sherit is a brand of A Innovative Food Products. Brand is highly committed to produce hygienically processed food products, which is appreciated in the market for its purity, accurate composition, and taste.
We at Sherit take responsibility to ensure healthy and safe workplace where more than 200 of our employees take pride of producing the highest quality of products.
Mom, when we will eat?
Are you hungry?
We engage chefs, product developers and food experts to meticulously develop lip-smacking flavored water and pani puris, which delights our customers and fits perfect in our recipes. Every ingredient is carefully selected and measured. Every pani puri enjoys ultimate attention because it must be best in the world before it reaches your plate. We produce 2 crore pani puris every day in our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant, having high-tech, fully automatic European food production machinery where no human intervention is required and strict hygiene is maintained from raw material feeding to packaging of finished products.
Our products are made from whole wheat flour and are certified as per international quality standards. Throughout the production cycle, right from procurement of raw material to the dispatch of finished goods, products are being validated through physical, chemical and biological testing to ensure the parameters like gluten, ash content, moisture, shape, size, texture, oil uptake, etc. are being maintained to ensure superior quality of products are being delivered to our customer.
With consistent innovation in our products and an uncompromising approach, we go an extra mile to exceed our customer expectations.
After 4 years of extensive research, we have developed Pani Puri that tastes like homemade Pani Puri. Moreover, we have introduced variety of mouth-watering flavors like mint, tamarind, garlic, hing, dates, etc., which will give each consumer a unique experience.
We offer a wide variety of products such as ready-to-fry pellets, ready-to-fry puris with delicious water flavors, ready-to-eat pani puri packs and complete kit available with aloo mesh. In addition, we have a unique product, Mini Mos, available with exotic seasoning that will make you crave for its delicious taste. We offer a range of products for wholesale, HoReCa, retail formats, and our products are widely used in hospitality industries and food enterprises. Our journey has taken us across borders, and we are exporting our products worldwide. In our one-of-its-kind franchisee model, we provide a unique customer experience. Through our patented machine, the customer can see live pani puri frying and fill flavored water automatically. The awards and recognition we have received in the industry has been a milestone for us. We have created headlines in news by earning love from our customers. We are consistently progressing towards our vision of empowering people, creating economic opportunity for all, and to reach every human being with nutrition-rich food, which can become the source of energy, spread joy, and create a delightful experience for our millions of customers around the world.